In today's video, let me show you how to recover a hacked Etsy account. Now there can be a few cases to this. Firstly, if you can still log into your Etsy account, what you can simply do is go ahead and immediately change your password. So head over to the settings on your Etsy account and make sure that you immediately change the password of your Etsy account. Now, however, if you cannot have access or do not have access to your Etsy account, the second thing that you can do is reset the password. So if you cannot log in and you just can see the login screen, you can simply tap on the forgot your password option, and from there you'll be prompted to reset and create a new password. This way you'll be able to gain again re-access of your account so that you can change your password. But however, if you do not have access or you cannot change your password either, then what you can simply do is open up your web browser, search for Etsy contact and head over to submit a request. Inside of submit a request, tap on selling on Etsy, tap on account access and settings, and right here you'll be able to see the option which says my account was hacked. Now depending upon one of these three situations, you can just tap on the individual accounts and then tap on email us. So let's say if your email address was changed by the hacker, you can tap on the second option, tap on email us, and it is going to prompt you to a different section where you need to add in your email address, the subject, the exact description, and the correct email address that you're currently using. So from this process, they will be able to contact you and gain access of your account. So as I said, depending upon your situation, you need to choose one of these options, and using this exact process, you should be able to recover your hacked Etsy account. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.